Welcome to Sports City U Basketball Academy. I'm Coach Jim Clayton. Today we're going to talk about how to shoot off the dribble with your strong hand. My definition of strong hand is righties, that's dribbling with your right hand. Lefties, that's dribbling with your left hand. Now, one of the most important elements of shooting off the dribble is the last dribble. That is the most important dribble. And today we're going to talk about how to make that happen, how to get the ball, your feet, your body in sequence so that you have a direct flow into the shot, you have great balance, you have great power, you have great acceleration, and you're square to the target. Okay, so we're going to begin right here on our basket. We're going to talk about our stance. If you look down through here, we have a white line. A white line is directly in proportion to the rim up here, which is a straight line. So everything is on a straight line, and that's what shooting is, all right? So we're going to line our foot. We'll talk righties first. We're going to line our right foot just to the left of the line. All right, so you can see, we don't want to be on the line. We want to be a little to the left. The ball is what's going to be on the line, okay? Now, we're in a ready position right here. Our index finger's in the middle. Our left hand's on the side. The ball's on the line. And what you need to remember is the dribble line is really your shot line. So everything goes down the line, up the line, and on the line. All right? Now, the first part of this is the dribble lunge. We start out right here. We tell righties, you're going to take a right step like this, and the ball's still on the line. It's not moving. And we're going to take a dribble right there so the ball comes up. All right? Lefties, you're going to be on this side, same position. You're going to take a lunge with your left step, and the ball comes up like this, exact same position. Now, the reason that we call this at Sports City a 31, because 31 means 3 steps, 1 dribble. And the most important dribble is the last dribble. So here's what we got. When I say 1, we take that lunge and that dribble. That's number 1. Now, look at the distance between my feet. My second step needs to be as long as my first step. So if I'm slow motion right here, that's where that needs to be. My third step is my short step, and that's where I elevate up. So it's 3 steps, 1 dribble. It looks like this, and we do it in a sequence. I'll go 1, boom. I'll go 2, 3, and then we're right up into our shot. Lefties, that's going to look like this. Same thing on this side. I'll go 1, right there. 2, 3, shot. Now, an important element is this. When we're going into 2 and 3, we want no movement of the ball. So when I'm in this position, let me show you what I don't want. And this happens a lot. A lot of players go here, then they move the ball over here. Then as they come up, they try to move the ball back. So the way you stay square is don't take the ball to the hand. Take the hand to the ball. Let's watch and see how this works. There's my 1. There's my 2, 3. And there's my shot. Boom. That's it. Lefties, going to look like this. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, shot. Okay. Now, once you get that down pretty good, we're going to get a couple quick reps in so you can see this. Real quick. I'm in a ready position. Boom, 1, 2, shot. I'll do 5 of those. So back up right here. I'm working in close, so I always use the glass right here. Boom, right here. Back up. I'm like this. Boom, 1, 2, quick, right up. Okay, 1 more. Here I go. Boom, 1, 2. Same thing. Now, that's what happens right before you shoot. Now let's build up into that. The second thing is called a 231. Now we're going to take 2 stationary dribbles. It almost simulates a hesitation move. So I go pound, pound right there. I want to pound the ball right there. Pound, pound, push. Watch. Pound, pound, push. Right up into that dribble. Lefties, same principle. Pound, pound, push. Stationary, static movement followed by the lunge. That brings you down. Now, some players, a common problem is they hop. And here's why they hop. They go pound, pound, lunge. Second step is too short. Then I hop to go down. While you're going down, I've already come up twice as quick. 4 steps versus 2 steps. Now we back it up top of the key. Same principle, 231. Slow, slow, lunge. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Right up there. Let's go left. Same thing. Here we go. 1, 2, lunge, and the block shot. Right there. Once we get that down, we're not going fast. We're just working on the most important. We back it up to here. Now again, we know the last dribble has to get that 31. Here's what I got. Boom, 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 pull up. Same thing. Come back to here. Go left. Here I go. Boom, boom, lunge, and ball. Got it. Now we get into some game speed. We back it up to here. And now we're coming down the court in a real game. Here I come, here I come, here I come. Straight up, straight down. Again, I'm not hopping, I'm not drifting, I'm not going side to side. I don't care what move I got. I'm coming down right here. Defense is retreating. Pull up, boom. Got it. Miss it. Okay, shoot again. Defense is retreating. Here I come, here I come. Pull, 1, 2. Shot, boom. Remember, the most important dribble is the last dribble. And if you don't get that down, the moves make no difference, because that is what gives you the consistency that you need to make that scoreboard move.